Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into the cloud provider and add a payment method, because instances bill per minute. Next, choose a GPU class that matches your model size and memory. This matters for speed versus cost. Then, prepare your environment by selecting or building a Docker image with CUDA and required drivers so dependencies match. Once done, snapshot or save the image, and you're ready to launch the instance. You now launch and configure the instance. Pick a region where the GPU type is available to avoid delays and set zone for lower latency. Allocate appropriate SSD storage and attach an SSH key or access token so you can connect securely. Make sure your startup script installs any last-minute packages. Configure network and firewall rules to allow your IP and required ports. Then boot the instance and verify drivers loaded correctly. Once running, connect via SSH or web terminal and validate. You finish by deploying your container and running a quick test workload to confirm performance and correctness. A short training loop or inference run works well. Monitor GPU utilization, memory, and system logs while keeping an eye on costs. Set alerts so you don't exceed your budget. If something goes wrong, check for common issues: driver and CUDA version mismatch, insufficient PCIe or memory limits, or account quota caps. If needed, restart the instance after adjustments and rerun the verification test to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.